This is the Redmi A1 I have in front of me, and today we would like to highlight the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I would like to show how you can enable the eye comfort mode, which helps you to reduce the eye fatigue from, using the smartphone. In order to do that, you gotta enter the display category of settings. In here, just go for the night light and turn this feature on. As you can see, it works by basically tints our screen amber and making all the colors warmer, filtering out the blue light, all the good stuff. In here, by adjusting this bar, you can increase or respectively decrease the effect intensity, as well as set up some custom schedule for it to be enabled or disabled at any chosen times, automatically of course. Already, the next feature is located at is actually an accessibility feature. It is located at the accessibility category of settings, which we need to enter. It is called the magnification, and it provides you with a magnification tool that you can use in order to zoom into things that are tiny and hard for you to read or see. So in order to activate it, tap on this shortcut over here that appears once you switch on the toggle. Then tap at the place on the screen that you would like to zoom into, like let's see, this zone or something. You can also scale it up or down, zoom, by performing the shrink and swipe. Once you're ready to quit the magnification mode, tap on the shortcut again. There is also the second mode in which it works. In order to enter it, you gotta tap on this little icon over here. And once clicked on, it provides you with a little magnifying glass, should I say, or something like that you can move around your screen and zoom into particular things and permanently change the zone that you are zooming into and magnifying. And in here you can also change its zoom in scale by performing shrink and swipe, like so. Alrighty, so moving on to the next feature that is located at the battery category of settings. So by default, I would assume that this toggle is turned off, so you are not able to see the, hold on, let me get back to it real quick. So you're not able to see the battery percentage at the status bar. You have to swipe downwards and open the notification control, the notification and control center to see the power you have left exactly in percent. So if you would like to, for the battery percentage to be visible near the battery icon at all times, just turn on this battery percentage toggle. The next small tip, should I say, is that you can change the system navigation type by entering the system category of settings, going into gestures and going for the system navigation page. Up until now, I've been using this gesture navigation type that, as you could already guess, lets me navigate through my system via preset gestures. You can also you can always set it to be 3-button navigation type or 3 digital buttons that appear at the very bottom. They disable those gestures, and now in order to walk through the interface, use the interface, you will have this little cute buttons over here. That is some more of an old school way of navigating through the interface, should I say, but I myself prefer gestures more, but you do you. Alrighty. The fifth and final tip/feature that we wanted to show you today is located at the system category of settings. Also, it is called the memory extension, and it allows you to increase your random access memory by 0.5, 1, or 2 gigabytes respectively. This happens by the means of occupying the respective amount of memory in the internal storage, and it's basically in addition to the default 2 gigabytes of memory my device has, I'll also have any of this amount as the virtual RAM. So I'll choose the 2 gigabytes option, and also in order for these changes to take effect, you have to reboot the device. So that's exactly what I will do now. Alrighty, so the phone has been successfully rebooted. Now if we will go into the feature page in settings. So first of all, let me quickly enter the SIM pen. So if we will open up the settings, go to the system, memory extension, we'll see that the changes have been successfully applied, and the memory is increased by 2 gigabytes. Or should I point out that the random access memory is increased by RAM by 2 gigabytes. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.